In the audience where is Karen? Karen McKenna is a Fair City superfan. How are you, Karen?
I'm grand, Ryan. How are you?
And you're a fan in what sense? Tell me a little bit about how...
I've watched it since the first episode.
Yeah.
Absolutely love Paul Brennan. Back from when you had hair. Even more so now.
Be careful, he starts snogging you in about 10 seconds.
No, off camera, Ryan. He's married. No problem.
Just look at you. Yeah. Exactly. So what's your connection with this crowd?
Tonight's connection is Mick is a relation of my dad's.
And does Mick know that?
Yes, Mick knows. But I'm always going around George McKenna.
Okay, and do you make this well known to people when you meet them?
Well, I kind of talk about Fair City as you do, and people go, oh yeah, and I go, you know Ray, the mechanic? Yeah, he's my cousin. And they're like, oh really? And I'm going, yeah, his real name's Mick, no, I'm his cousin. So my sister-in-law here is saying to me, I'm fed up with you saying to everybody, Mick Nolan's my cousin. She said, I'm going to get you. It's all right. So for my 40th birthday, she got me a T-shirt with I'm Mick Nolan's cousin.
Yes, that's your connection. Okay, good. So it's Brian Kenny.